Alright, it's starting to get dark, as you can see. Oh, Keisha's done with her sparkler. Whoa, look at that paper. It's getting real destructive. Adults on this.
Very short. Yeah, it's
Adults on this only. Are you gonna do it in the over
driveway,
here?
Yep, driveway.
Alright. I'm gonna set my tablet right there. I'm gonna set the tablet. I'll be the cameraman.
Alright, let's come over here though. I don't know where we're gonna set it first.
Alright, where am I gonna set the tablet for this video? Right there.
Shall we set the first one off?
Yeah, we should set the first buddy off. Adults in this space only. Can I come in space?
No, stay there for me.
Why is Keisha in that space?
Yeah, she doesn't listen.
Get down there.
Yeah, let's.
Don't roll your eyes or you can just lose everything. Attitude. Look, how's the mic shot? I don't see a thing. There you go.
He has a lighter,
It shuts exactly like 90% of all knives.
bro. Papa.
It's a decent knife. Is it my favorite knife? No, but that's because I can't find my switch.
All right, right there. I don't know if you can see it, but right there is all the firework. All right.
Oh, you can let me through, buddy.
Fireworks show! Whoa! Whoa! The camera can't even focus because of this one. It's like a white blob.
I wasn't
That
expecting
is
it
so
that big.
freaking loud!
That is not supposed to go that big.
Yeah, probably not.
Are you glad that I made you come back here now?
Yep.
Attitude.
Oh my god!
Look at that.
No! I want to sit in my
We got
chair.
too many. We got a lot of these.
I don't like fireworks. That is the
Get away from their car a little
mommy.
bit.
That is the loudest thing I've ever heard in my life.
Okay, now it's done. Holy cow. Oh my god.
That was the biggest firework. That was
You
the.
make me stay back here.
So we got one more of those. And then we got two
No,
more
razzle dazzler.
Oh god, I know what this
Do the razzle dazzler next.
is. We got the neighbors.
That was the loudest firework I've ever heard.
Stop yelling. Please stop yelling.
Oh my gosh. We're doing that one next. I don't know if you can see it. We're doing that one next. That one caused some real mayhem. It's pitch dark.
I not want to go near those cars.
Okay, this one is snow pines with color sparkles, silvery and titanium cracks.
All right, you can do it.
Can we do another of this side?
Do it in the driveway. All right,
Okay, so
I am back here now because it is so loud.
And do not do both. 2 of them at the same time.
That's why I'm back here. The smoke is still in my... Yeah. All right,
Wow.
sit back and enjoy.
Wait till next year.
Are you listening to the 6
We're not doing that next year. Lumos. Lumos, right there is our fire. Right there's our fireworks. Ready to cause some real mayhem?
Aiden, please stop yelling.
All right.
These were the ones we got from Walmart.
Walmart is loud. Jeez. Wow. This one isn't as loud as Never mind. Never mind.
Well, next year. Next year.
Sorry, neighbors.